Kidology wooden number puzzle. Kidology wooden number puzzle, and this is number in the bowl, and this is the number blocks which I made before. Let's make number 1. At first we find the number. Where the number 1? Yes, I got it. This is number 1. This is number 1. Let's make number 1. And this is number 1. Let's find number blocks 1. And this is number blocks 1. Number blocks 1, number 1, and number puzzle 1. Let's make another number. Let's make 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. Let's make number 2. This is number 2, and this is number 2. Let's find number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. Let's make number blocks 3. At first found this is number blocks 3. Let's make number blocks 3 in the puzzle. Number blocks 3. This is number blocks 3, and this is number 3. Let's find number blocks 3, and this is number blocks 3. Number blocks 3, number 3, and this is the puzzle number 3. Let's make number 4. At first we have to find the number 4, and this is number 4. Let's make number 4. Let's make number 4. This is number 4. This is number 4. Let's find number blocks 4. Wow, I got it. This is number blocks 4. And this is number 4, and this is the number puzzle 4. Let's find the number 5. Wow, this is number 5. This is number 5. Let's make number 5 in the puzzle. Let's make number 5. Wow, this is number puzzle 5, and this is number 5. Let's find number blocks 5. Wow, this is number blocks 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is number blocks 5. Let's make number 6. At first we have to find number 6 in the bowl. Yes, I got it. This is number 6. Let's make number 6 in the puzzle. Let's make number 6 in the puzzle. Yes, this is number 6. This is number 6, and this is number 6. Let's find number block 6. Yes, this is number block 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number block 6, and this is number 6, and this is the puzzle 6. Let's make number 7. Let's find number 7. Here the number 7. Yes, this is number 7. This is number 7. Let's make number 7 in the puzzle. It's very easy to make. The number 7 is very easy to make. Yes, this is the number 7, and this is the 7. Let's find number block 7. Wow, this is number block 7. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is number 7. This is number 7. This is the number block 7. This is number 7. And here the puzzle 7. Let's make number 8. Let's find number 8. Here the number 8. Here the number 8. Yes, this is number 8. This is number 8. Let's make number puzzle 8. Number puzzle 8 is made of red. Yes, this is number puzzle 8. This is number 8. And find the number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was yes, this is number blocks 8. This is number 8. And this is the puzzle 8. Let's make number 9. Let's find the number 9. Yes, I got it. This is number 9. Let's make puzzle 9. Sorry. This is number puzzle 9. This is puzzle 9. And this is number 9. Let's find number blocks 9. Yes, I got it. Number blocks 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. This is number blocks 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number blocks 9. And this is the number 9. And this is the number puzzle 9. This is number 9. And this is number puzzle 9. And this is number blocks 9. Number blocks 9, number blocks 8, number block 7, number block 6, number blocks 5, number blocks 4. Yes, there are double number blocks. 5. Number blocks 3, number blocks 2, number blocks 1. Yes.